Can I call you Rose? Cause you're sweet like a flower. Can I call you Rose? Or should I call you Lee? Should I call you pathological?
Hello. Poa sana. Sasa zipata hii green American satin. Tumepotea. Asante. Nilijaribu kuwapigia simu hamkushika.
Na message sasa saa zingine WhatsApp unajua tukikata hivi.
Yeye anakuanga busy so.
So unboxing.
This is my decision. I don't think you listen. You listen.
Okay, I think I don't like the pink, but that's the green. These are some shades of the green.
It must mean I'm not the same. It must mean I'm on your case. For me to come out, it means that I'm not the girl. I want to show you my world.
So these are the colors. There's some green. I thought I bought green, but it's not green. So I bought 16 more new colors. Starting with the peach. I have peach and brown. I already started making this one. Hello guys, I'm making a wholesale order. So she wants like 5 of each color, 20 pieces. This brown and navy blue. So there is black and peach, that's why we have black scrunchies. TikTok reel. There's this roll that we went to buy yesterday. Unboxing. Yes. Ooh. Now I'm investing in stuff, and it's stretchy. It's also stretches just like the elastic. It's elastic. Wow.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. Usually doesn't rain. Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears before they pour. And I'm thinking about you. Oh no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. You know, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you not think so far ahead? I've been thinking about forever. Hey. Do you not think so far ahead? I've been thinking about forever, ever.
We're done packing. Let me send them out now and put them in a box or a big paper, and we send them out.
Okay, guys, I'm closing up the gap to this. You remember I left you putting this one on, so I closed the gap there. And oops, for adjustable. So this is what I'm doing. I'm closing this gap here. Let's do it. Just to a point.
I go slow. Punguza mwendo, you reduce the speed. You don't want to sew on top of this one, it won't be. Okay, so I hand stitch. I use my hand is to move it as close as possible. And go back. Ooh, I sew it on top of that. I missed. Oh, I had to do it. So you need to be really careful not to sew on top of that. Is it happens? Let me see. Yeah, this is the part that's taking a lot of time. I normally just sew this because I have to be careful. I also don't want.
There's like a small space between them.
Yeah, so I don't want it to also be like loose. So I have to like secure the stitch. So that, I don't know, someone might apply pressure pulling and then it just comes undone. But there's a design I've thought, but it needs what do they call them? Something, some more accessories. I'm like, yeah, it will need a lot of money to make this type of bonnet with that design. So chill out first. Mayday, mayday. The account is dying, mayday. So yeah. Oh, this looks like a big space. I tell you, if you don't do it well, it can look like a big space that you just want to cover.
When you cut there, I usually cut the two strings.
Not the strings, this thread.
After sewing, you
Mhm.
usually cut the threads.
Yes, because Mishkana is like the umbilical cord, you have to separate them. Cut it. Mother. Yeah, so that's it. So this part is the one that I'm like anxious about. I just don't want. So you see that one? You see? So when you move, you see this one? We got a hold of it, so we need to release it like that. So I can adjust it as the much the ruffle will go. That's the biggest part. And if your head is small, then we just adjust it right back. And yeah, some people want that freedom to do that. So they, in their head, they think this bonnet is too tight. They just want to have the freedom to use braids. And when they have like, which is already a standard size, like for me, I can wear it as it is like this without like, because this one is already without adjusting. But some people really want to be able to adjust it. I don't want them to mice. I want them to come again and buy in different sizes. Nataka tu kununua once I make multi-purpose. Oh. Woo, that's the new style. So I introduced adjustable two-in-one bonnets. So now I need to introduce the three-in-one bonnets. I've really wanted to introduce the three-in-one bonnets. Three-in-one. That's my next project. Oh, voila, it looks good though.
So let's put the orders in this box. I'm gonna start with this big one to go. And that goes.
Mama Terry wewe.
Yeah, veko kwa recording sai.
Oh, it's recording.
Yeah.
No me. No me.
Let me record yours too. Woo! Yeah. You too, Nathan. Say cheese.